Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet P1566 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, we find system type. Find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also very easy and simple. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. And here type HP LaserJet P1566 driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link and our official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name HP LaserJet Pro P1566 printer and it's detect our operating system right. But in any case, and bit is also right, if in any case our bit is not right or the operating system is not right, then go to there, choose a different OS. Here select Windows, then go to the version. If your operating system is Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. If operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. After that, this box go to the refresh and new drivers are available on our website. Here we find driver product installation software. It is not expand, then expand it. And in this drivers product installation software, we find our printer driver. Here is our printer name. This is a series printer and this series printer contains many printers. Here we find recommended. Click on the download. It's redirect to another page and at the top here we find download. And in downloads we find our download is started. It's take few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our download is completed now. Go to the show in a folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our printer file or the printer setup file, and this printer site is actually zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple in Windows 10. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on extract files, click on the OK, and it's extract our folder and create a new folder on our PC or laptop in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find our new folder is created on the desktop. Double click on it and here we find our entire drivers. Close it and we are going to install these drivers manually. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start. Here type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click at here. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find many options. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here. And if you find any port name .4_001 HP printer, HP printer device, HP. If you find anything about HP, then select that. If you not find any HP port, the next option is USB. Select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Click on have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. On desktop, we find our newly created folder. Double click on it. Select the files. These three files are all drivers files. Select any file that you want. Select any file that you want. Select and open. Click on OK. Here we find many printers. Select our printer name HP LaserJet Professional P1566. Professional means Pro. HP LaserJet Professional P1566. Select that. Click on the next. Give any name that you want. I give the Pro. You can give any name that you want. And give the name HP LaserJet Pro P1566. Click on the next. It's install our printer and it's take few seconds. So wait for a few seconds. It's take few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer on network, then select last option. If you don't want to share, then click on do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to set a default printer, then select it as a default printer or click on a printer test page. If you want to print a test page, click on a finish. Next option is our printer is installed. Now check our printer is properly working on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a print list, if you find HP LaserJet Pro P1566, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.